Before doing this move, detrain, closing the doors by the porter buttons. When signal Bravo Romeo 13 clears, proceed towards the limit of shunt. Look out for Romeo 324. If this is showing a yellow aspect, you must be prepared to stop at Alpha 324 ahead. When you see the 25 board, begin to slow down for the limit of shunt. Shut down the train and change ends. When signal Bravo Romeo 4 clears with a right-hand junction indicator, proceed towards London Road, Reception Road. Stop at the limit of shunt board, shut down and change ends. If you're proceeding towards Waterloo, you may carry out this move in passenger service. When signal Bravo Romeo 10 clears, proceed via number 7 crossover to the northbound running line. The maximum speed over the crossover is 15 miles an hour. Look out for Romeo 324. If this is showing a yellow aspect, you must be prepared to stop at Alpha 324 ahead. This move may be carried out in passenger service. When signal X-ray 341 clears, proceed towards signal Bravo Romeo 1. If Bravo Romeo 1 is clear, start to slow down here because Romeo Bravo Romeo 2 will be yellow, and so you must be prepared to stop ahead. Any train carrying out this move will be stopped at Bravo Romeo 2 until the route ahead is set. When signal Bravo Romeo 2 clears with a 45-degree right-hand junction indicator, proceed via number 6 crossover towards Lambeth North northbound platform. The maximum speed over the crossover is 15 miles an hour. Stop the train on the diamond stopping mark in the forefoot.